In today's video, let's talk about on how to use the Bank of America Preferred Rewards. The Bank of America Preferred Rewards program has officially transitioned and is now known as BOFA Rewards. Now you do not need to manually set up in order to use this feature. As soon as someone has an active personal checking account, can join for free with no minimal balance required. So what you simply need to do is either on the mobile banking application or on the web version as well. You just need to head over to the BOFA Rewards section where you'll be able to see the option called Join being displayed. You can just tap on the join option and you just need to follow a few on-screen prompts. Once the activation has been made, the most powerful way that you use this program is you need to pair it with a eligible Bank of America credit card. Once you link it with one of your credit cards, the credit card boost applies automatically to your earnings based upon your balance. So this is the most powerful way that you can use this feature within the Bank of America platform. And the other benefits includes you do not need to have any sort of fees, so you will not get charged any sort of fees for using these features, as well as you can activate the lifestyle as well as subscription credits. So that's basically it on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.